Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Over here you need to choose I accept in the pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on those three lines again and tap on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click on Set Wallpaper over here and select Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of those options. So now when I go back by clicking Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!